Hey, I'm Sarah. This is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects every week. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Today, I am going to show you how to sew a very simple drawstring gift bag. Now, these bags are really easy to make. I actually made them with scraps of fabric. So they're a great way to use up scraps of fabric and wrap a gift in something that is reusable, that your recipient can go use again and again. We're not wasting paper, we're not wasting tissue paper, we're reusing something that we already have on hand. Definitely something that's really important to me. So let me show you how easy these drawstring gift bags are to make, and then you can go make some of your own. You're gonna start with some fabric scraps, various sizes. You need a ruler, some ribbon, a scissors, a few stick pins, a safety pin, and a sewing machine. This first fabric scrap that I have is about 10.5 inches by 14 inches. I'm gonna make a longer bag to fit a gift that I have. So I'm gonna flip it over and fold the top down about 2 inches. This is gonna form the track where my ribbon's gonna go. Now I'm gonna grab a piece of ribbon and lay it out about where I want it to be on the gift bag. Now I'm going to take this fabric to my sewing machine and sew a straight line above the ribbon and below the ribbon to make a track. So I'm going to remove the ribbon, pin it in place, and go sew it. So now that is all stitched together, I'm going to fold my bag in half, right sides together, to create the pouch. Now to do that, I'm just going to do a simple stitch along the bottom and the side. Now when I get to the top here, I want to leave a little space for the ribbon to go in. So right there I'm not going to sew, but I am going to stitch along the top up here. Now that that's all stitched together, I'm going to string my ribbon through the track. Now the easiest way to do this is to attach a safety pin to the end of the ribbon and then push it through the track. Now I'm just going to pull it through with the safety pin, remove that safety pin, and now I'm going to turn the bag right side out. Now remember, you can make these bags any size you need. Just grab a fabric scrap that fits the size of your gift. So now that this long gift bag is right side out, you'll notice that the ribbon is actually on the inside, but there's a little hole for the ribbon to come through. So I'm going to push it from the inside of the bag to the outside of the bag. All right, so now that the ribbon's on the outside, my bag is complete. I'm just going to trim off the edges to get rid of some of the fraying. Now you want to leave enough on here that you can tie a nice bow and cinch the sack together, but you don't need that much hanging off the end. So I can tie a bow or I can just cinch it together. How cute are these gift bags, right? I hope you found that video inspiring. These truly are simple to make. And as you saw, I made a couple different sized gift bags. So you can make these any size you want. Figure out what gift you're giving first, and then go ahead and size your fabric scrap around that, following the simple steps that I showed you in this video. So if you found this helpful, be sure to give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you are going to be trying some of these drawstring gift bags. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.